Welcome to Education and More's About the Instructor for preparing to learn Python 3 at a snail's pace. My name is Markis Gardner, and I'm going to be doing the video series for Python 3 here on YouTube. Later on, I'll even do a live streaming to the audience so you can ask me questions and get to know me. But I want to give you some background about myself and about what we're going to do. I am very experienced when it comes to teaching. I taught in American universities for many years, 8 years or so, and then I taught in Chinese high schools for over 8 years, and I also taught in the training center in China. I grew tired of the cheating, not only about the students cheating, but about the companies that these high schools were hiring to help students go abroad. So many cheaters that way. What they would do is they would pay these people that call themselves education consultants, and then the education consultants would call up universities and try to get them to give the money for the students, and then turn around and tell the students, oh, I found you a company. So I became an education consultant because I was tired of it. That wasn't helping the student at all. So right now, as far as I know, I am the only foreigner in Asia that is certified to be an education consultant for both Pierre and ICEF. And here are my qualifications. My hope is to help as many people as possible free. Now, how am I going to do this free? Well, I'm doing this on YouTube, which of course is free. And the only way that I can afford to do this free is if we have lots of students. So please, tell all your friends and tell them to tell all their friends. Because as long as I can get lots of students, and unfortunately it's going to be about, I need around 50,000, 100,000 students, then I can get paid enough to I can just keep going this for free forever. That's my goal. I want to help as many people in the Philippines and other places as well. Not just Philippines, but all around the world. I don't mind. So I just need lots of students. And I want to do this as free as possible. So please tell all your friends to watch the YouTube videos and to please watch the advertisements. I know we hate advertisements, but that's how I'm going to make the money. Don't click on the advertisements unless you're really interested in them, but just watch them. Don't skip them, please. I will make a little bit of money because on Thursdays I'm going to offer like a homework session. This is after we get started to some real programming assignments. But of course, you are not obligated to watch those homework assignments videos. Not videos, but live streaming. I'll show you how to access those later. And I'll also sell some t-shirts talking about my company. But again, you don't have to buy them. It can stay totally free, totally up to you. But hopefully some students, can afford to buy the t-shirts and can take the homework session. And I am glad to take any suggestions you have. Feel free to contact me on my website or in the YouTube notes. And last but not least, I am moving to the Philippines. I will go for a trip with my kids in January. We'll stay for about 5 weeks to look around, see where we might want to live. And then later that year, we'll move to the Philippines. So that's why I'm choosing the Philippines to help the most. Okay. But again, I want to help everybody that I possibly can. All right. So feel free to ask me any questions, and I will see you in on these lessons, I hope. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.